Welcome to Simple Tech Tips. Today we'll learn how to hide the WordPress website while editing. So let's say you have created a new WordPress website and you're making some changes on it and you don't want people to find it out. So when people land on the home page or other pages, they can see what's going on the website. However, you may not want to do that because you're already editing, you're just started. So you want to hide that. We can do that. It is quite simple. So first go to the dashboard and then go to the plugins, then add new plugin. And from there, you can just write down under construction. And there are many plugins. I'll just go with this one, the under construction. Install it. Once it is installed, activate it. Okay. Then now click on the settings of under construction. We will be creating a page that will replace the home page. So we'll turn on the under construction mode on, and this you want to or you may not want to. You can also use Google tracking if you want to see like how many people are landing on your home page, or you can also, if you feel like you'll be able to go live after like 3 days, you can just add the in date and time. I'm not going to do that, so I'll just do save changes. Okay, it says the setting is saved. You can also come to the design page to make the changes. Choose whichever you like. I'll just go with the one that's been selected as by default. So I don't have to change it because it's been selected already. So now I'm going to go to the home page and see what it looks like. So remember, we're logged in using our admin account, so it will show us the data. So we have to go to the preview under construction page to see like how it looks. So this is how it looks like. The way we set it up, this will be here until we take it off. You can have links to other websites, and also you can prevent this page from getting indexed, and a lot of other stuff from this page, from the main page. So this is how you hide your website, hide your design from people when you're working on it. There are many other plugins you can play around, but this is one of the plugins I feel like is quite good and it's even free. If you want more design, you can also get the pro account. It is worth it. So that's how you hide your WordPress website. So if you need any help, you can comment it on the comment section below. And if you have any questions or if you want, you can thumbs up the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.